Welcome to Optosky. Today we will show how to develop spectroscopy solution. Firstly, let's learn some of the main origins of the spectrometer. An optical spectrum is the decomposition of the power or energy of light according to different wavelengths or optical frequency. The theoretical sum of the spectrum is lambda equal U divided by V. Lambda is wavelength, U is speed of vacuum, V is the frequency. In the full spectrum, we can see the colors of purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. And what spectral rays does our spectrometers normally detect? UV, VIS, IR. So what actually is a spectrometer? Back dispersion experiment of sunlight. When we put a glass prism under the sun, we will find the prism automatically generates a rainbow, which is an artificial rainbow. The phenomenon of a spectrometer is similar. The difference is that its dispersive element is grating. What are core components of microspectrometer? For the system, the spectrometer includes information system, dispersion system, imaging system, signal processing system. The main component is below picture. The slit and the incident light is introduced from the slide to the M1 mirror. This mirror is used for light collimation, and when it reaches the grating, it becomes colorful light. Presented on the CCD here, this linear CCD can convert light signals into electronic signals. The resolution is also related to the grating. The lower the number of grating lines, the worse the resolution and the wider the spectrum range. Optical can provide a choice of common modular spectrometer. Those optical resolution, dimension, serial spectrum range. Next, explain some important parameters of the spectrometers. 6 performance indicators that customers are mainly interested in: wavelength, range and resolution, sensitivity, stability, code, integration time, and sampling speed (SNR). In the same situation, the resolution and the wavelength range are contradictory. The wider the wavelength range is required, the worse the resolution will be unless the slit width or NA is adjusted. Sensitivity depends on NA. Optosky could adjust NA equal 0.12, but better NA to sensitivity worse the resolution. For stability, in addition to the spectrometer, customers must pay attention to stability of the light source, fixed point, integration time, and the sampling speed. The industry has requirements for this. You can set the integration time and sampling speed to improve the efficiency of industry detection. The sampling speed of Optosky can reach to 2000. The SNR, Optosky uses the global-based detector of Hamamatsu of Japan. Therefore, you needn't to vary the performance. Then the introduction of our spectrometer is over. Welcome to Optosky website www.optosky.net.